Hello, my name is Carlos Pinto, and I will be demonstrating the ICES data portal. Then this is something we have developed in the last 2 years. We started maybe this project 2 years ago, and this was to replace an old portal. So that will be my first slide. Why have we developed this new data portal? So our current data portal has been online now for over 12 years. And of course, it used the technology that was available at that time. And we have map and data inventory, so that we have passed to the new one, but it didn't have things like microservices. Angular didn't exist at that time. The web services are very basic. It's not like now we have the new web API, and most importantly, it only supports raw data in that time. Huh? We made it only to support raw data. So what did we wanted to include in the new data portal? In our new data portal, our objective was to include the same raw data, indicators or data products, how you prefer to call it, layers, external layers, or even reference layers from ICES, links to the metadata, and DOIs. So this is a brief screenshot, but I will now make a small demo. So here we have our data portal, and this is the starting screen where the user can drill down on the products or on the data set, sorry, and then of course he can come back home, or he can view it like this as a list. The other one was by topic, and I'm gonna just choose one. And then if the user clicks update the map, then it will automatically show the data for the data set, one or more that the user has chosen. Of course, there's always an option, we have made that option to make it an advanced query where the user then can go down to details like putting a start and an end date. That can be year, month, or day. Then he can also make a geographical search, and he can use like the ICES areas or any of the other reference areas, or of course he can draw his own polygon and say, I want it from here to here. And then there's also an option of data criteria. As you can see, the polygon appears here, and there's also an option for data criteria where this data criteria is basically like a query. He can choose, for example, one or more options. Germany, United, France. Yeah, it can continue, and then when he clicks add, it will have these options, and he can continue selecting on that data criteria. And then when he clicks update the map, those choices will be available. All the records will be available on the map. I'm also going to change my criteria, going to dataset teams, and I'm gonna choose more. So I forgot to say one thing. As you see here on the layer data type, you can see if it's an input data or an output data product. And when he clicks update the map will just be updating. As you can see here, it says loading, and here he has all the layers. This is the legend, the criteria, where for each data set he has the criteria that was chosen, and here in the bottom in this grid it shows the list of layers the user has chosen. And finally, there is an option, of course, to download the data or to view the details of the data. I will now get back to the presentation to show you so this is what you can see here that the details of the criteria is this one, the screens I just showed. And has a conclusion. We have made a major upgrade in terms of technology. We can have now data products or raw data, reference layers also linked to the metadata, and we can have custom legends on the map, something that before was not possible. Thank you all, and in case of any question or comments, please write me to carlos@ices.dk. Thank you very much.